Hey guys, if you're seeing Valorant error code VAN185 and the game won't launch, don't worry. This is usually caused by Riot Vanguard issues or system file conflicts, and it's easy to fix. First, completely close Valorant and the Riot client before doing anything else. Press Windows R, type Services, and press Enter. Scroll down and find VGC, which is the Riot Vanguard service. Double-click it, set the startup type to automatic, and click Start if it's stopped. Apply the changes, close the services window, and then restart your PC. After restart, try opening Valorant. If the error persists, the next step is to reinstall Riot Vanguard. Press Windows I to open Settings, go to Apps, Installed Apps, find Riot Vanguard, and uninstall it, then restart your computer immediately. After reboot, launch Valorant and Vanguard will automatically reinstall. Once the installation completes, restart your PC one more time before opening the game again. If VAN185 still appears, make sure your antivirus or Windows security isn't blocking Vanguard or Valorant. Temporarily disable any third-party antivirus and turn off Windows Defender real-time protection. After disabling security, launch Vanguard as administrator by right-clicking the shortcut and selecting Run as Administrator. In most cases, following these steps completely resolves error VAN185. If this video helped you fix this error, give it a like, subscribe for more gaming and Windows fixes, and I will see you in the next video.